Hey everyone, Roger at CU Scrapping. Scrapper's tip of the day, dehumidifiers. It's time to play a game of dehumidifier lottery. I learned this tip from Mr. Scrappity. There's a dehumidifier recall out on a number of different dehumidifiers. So before I scrap any of my dehumidifiers out, I look on the back here. I get the name and the model number, so it's a GE model number ADEL 70LRL1. Both of these are identical. She did mention one of them overheated, didn't catch fire, but overheated to the point it was ready to catch fire. So hopefully we've got a good shot on these. So what we're gonna do, go in here to the shop and go back to the computer. Okay, let's fire up the interwebs. Sometimes I've got the door open, so it should be getting a signal. I run off my hotspot on my phone. There we go. I go to Google. Google is your friend. Let me go mute this TV before I get a copyright infringement.
Explain to me what's going on.
Well, the reason why.
There we go. I mean, I'm not at 1,000 subscribers yet. Don't really care, but okay. Then in the search engine, and you can see I've already checked it a number of times. Dehumidifier recall. Recalled Aeon dehumidifier. Yeah, that's a cpsc.gov. So click on that. $2 million dehumidifiers recalled due to fire and burn hazards. So you scroll down. It takes a while to catch up here. There we go. Here's a list. Starts out with manufacturer name, model number. So we need to scroll down to GE. It's almost like scrolling for my age. Oh, did I miss it? Well, crap, I thought they had GE models on here. Apparently they don't. So we lost out on the dehumidifier recall. Higher generations, so GE ought to be right above that. And it's not. Friedrich. There are no GE models on the recall list. But anytime you get a dehumidifier, it could pay fairly well to compare it to this recall list and send in for the recall. I believe they are paying for the money spent on the humidifier, which is 60 to over $100. So I've only been successful on 2 so far. So 2 million dehumidifiers, you'd think you'd have a good chance, but it is a lottery. So that is going to be my scrapper's tip for the day. Get a dehumidifier before you scrap it out. Check it against the recall list. So I will see you scrapping.